Good morning, my friends. My name is Kasper. Today I will show you how to make pork curry. Those who love spicy food, you like this recipe. It's very easy because I have to use the quick power pot. It's just like plug it in and forget it. It's very easy. You just have to mix your meat with the spices that you like, and just put it in the power quick pot, plug it in and forget it. Those who did not subscribe, please subscribe. Comments over here. I'll show you how to use the quick power pot. So easy, and just plug it in and forget it. Please subscribe, give me a comment. Thank you. See you in a little bit. Hello my family and friends. Today we're gonna make pork curry. I marinated this last night. Sliced the pork. I put lemon, garlic salt, or whatever, and I put a little bit of, if you don't have any lemon, you can use vinegar, and a little bit of everything, spices you like. So I did marinate that overnight, and you don't have to marinate it. You can just slice the pork or chicken or beef, whatever you like, and then you can just stir fry and put the rest of the spices. But the spices I'm using, you can also use any kind of vegetables you like. In this case, I am using ginger. If you have green and red peppers, will be good. And then you have a little bit of garlic and a little bit of onions. And then, so these are the ingredients I use. I have 1 can of mushrooms. If you have fresh one, the better, but I don't have one, so I use a can of mushrooms. I use 2 teaspoons of red curry paste, and then 2 teaspoons of chili paste. You know, if you like spicy, I like spicy, especially during winter time or cold weather. And a can of coconut milk. And then if you have other greens that you like, usually I put some spinach, but I don't have any, so this one will do. Okay, I'll show you the next step. My family and friends, so this is the steps of my style of pork curry. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of 100% pure olive oil. And so you just press saute, and then whatever you want to saute, pork or fish or whatever, so just press and then push this dial, okay? And then of course I have to, when it's hot, and it's getting hot now, I will put the garlic and onions. Smells good already. Then when it's a little brown, you need to put your pork, marinated pork. Okay, there. And then you need to stir that one. See, this Power Quick Pot is very, very convenient because just like plug it in, put all the ingredients, cover, and then how many minutes you cook, just like press and forget it. So this is very easy. So I recommend Power Quick Pot to almost your cooking because this is very good. If you're a busy person, this is the best pot you can get. So it's getting nice and brown. Then you can put the ginger, if you like ginger. If you don't like ginger, then the peppers you can put it maybe after 10 minutes. There we go. And then leave it there for say 5 minutes. So when it's all mixed, see, looks good now. Then you put the rest of the ingredients. See, nice now. And then when that's done, maybe put half a cup of water. Okay. And then after that, cover that. And then pressure cook and then press. Cover this and then press the pressure cooker, and it will say like if it is pork 20-25 minutes. And then after that you pour the coconut oil and then leave it there again for another 5 minutes, and then your dinner is done. Here's the finished products of our pork curry. And so there's lots of mushrooms, peppers, and other spices. And you can put with the other type of vegetables, whatever you like. Have a good dinner, everyone.